Hey y'all, it's your girl Keish. Welcome back to the Keish TV. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to the Keish TV. I hope you enjoy yourself with me today. Today I am cooking up some ground sausage, some basically breakfast sausage. I'm tongue-tied today, so y'all forgive me. I'm cooking up some breakfast sausage, some pork breakfast sausage at that. And I'm going to be putting this in some eggs with some nature seasoning and green onion. I'm gonna make breakfast bake, and basically, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm making a breakfast bake, so I can have for like breakfast. Now, breakfast for me is like anywhere from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So it's like, you know, when you're enjoying lunch, I'm having breakfast. So anyway, I'm gonna cook this up, and I'm gonna come back with my eggs. They won't be scrambled, so I'm gonna come back with my eggs and heavy cream, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do after that. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Okay, now I started to use the nature seasoning, but I found out that nature seasoning has sugar in it, and I'm trying to stay away from sugar as much as possible. But I have some garlic powder, onion powder, some pepper, some salt, some heavy cream, and I have my green onions, aka scallions if you will, in this bowl. I have a total of 8 eggs. I'm going to be using a cup to 3/4 of a cup to a cup of heavy cream in here, because that makes the eggs fluffy, real fluffy and everything. So let's go ahead on and get started. I'm going to put my onion powder in here, and I'm going to put like, okay, that's a teaspoon and a half of onion powder. I'm not really measuring because, you know, this is like how I like. So this is maybe about a tablespoon of garlic powder. So even so, like I said, I don't really measure because, you know, I mean, it's to my taste, and I can kind of gauge where I'm going with it. This is salt. Come on. All right. I don't need too much salt enough, but I do like the black pepper, so I'm gonna put, and this is tricolor peppercorn, so I like that too. Give it a little color. So there you go. My pepper. Now I'm going to put my green onion in here, and I'm gonna save some for topping. You know, I'm gonna save this just for the topping of it. Okay. And I'm going to put in my heavy cream. Let me open it. Alright. Here we go. The only reason I'm measuring this is because I don't want to put too much heavy cream in here. This is about maybe 3/4 of a cup. There you go. Alright. Let me close this up and move it out the way. And we're just going to get to mixing it. You know, we're going to break these egg yolks up. I'm kind of doing batch breakfasts because I may just eat 2 breakfasts and a dinner, you know, like it's 3 meals or whatever. So, and this will be it. So now what I want to do is I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna let y'all know when I come back. I'll be right back. Okay, now I have my brown breakfast sausage in my 8x8 pan, and I'm going to try to keep it, put it like level or whatever, however. Now, stir these eggs, whisk these eggs around a little more. Now, I'm about to pour my egg mixture in this pan all over. All right, come on. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm moving the ground beef, the pork sausage, around so that the eggs can get under and through it. All right. Now, what I'm about to do now. Okay, I gotta keep that off. What I'm about to do now is put this in a 375-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, and I will come back and let you know just how long it took. So stick around. All right, y'all. This is the finished product of my egg and sausage bake. This actually took 36 minutes in the oven, and right here I have a side of bacon that I'm going to I think I'm going to just crumble it on top of it. Yeah, just crumble a little bacon on here. It's not gonna hurt nothing. I'm just gonna do these two little pieces right here, just for the presentation. That's about it. Yeah. Okay. And I'm gonna put the green onions on it. Now, when we was baking this, oh man, all you could really smell was the green onion and sausage, and it smells so good. All right, y'all. Don't worry about that. That's all you hear. That's my air fryer going. I'm air frying some bacon to go in a whole nother dish. And I'm gonna come back with another video for y'all for that one. So stick around. But this is the finished product of my egg and sausage bake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love y'all. Y'all take care. Be blessed. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you for coming and watching and rocking with the girl. And until next time, always remember to smile, smile, smile. And with that being said, I'm going to push you down, family, and pull you up later. I love y'all. Y'all stay safe out there. Peace.